Merry Christmas to everyone from my family to yours. Welcome back to Robby Hobby. Today we are whipping up a classic Italian dish for Christmas Eve dinner, eggplant parmesan. But wait, this isn't just any recipe. It's got a desi twist to make it relatable and fun for my Indian viewers. While eggplant or brinjals as we call them in India are a staple in Indian kitchen, this recipe takes them to a whole new level. Eggplant parmesan is a hearty, cheesy dish perfect for the holiday season. Let's dive right in. First, grab your eggplants and slice them lengthwise about half inch thick. This ensures the perfect balance of crispy edge and soft centers. Sprinkle salt over each slice and let them sweat for a bit. This draws out the bitterness and preps them for the magic to come. Next, set up your coating station. In one plate, crack a couple of eggs and beat them like you are preparing an omelette. In another plate, add a cup of all-purpose flour, and in third plate, spread out some breadcrumbs. Now the fun begins. Take each eggplant slice, dab it in flour, soak it in egg wash, and coat it generously with breadcrumbs. Repeat until all your slices are ready to fry. Now heat up some oil and deep fry the slices until they are golden brown and crispy. The aroma is already irresistible. Once done, set them aside to cool slightly. Let's move to sauce. In a pan, pour in a bottle of marinara sauce and heat it until it starts to bubble. The rich tomato base is the heart of this dish, and trust me, it's worth the wait. With all our components ready, it's assembly time. Grab some aluminium foil and lay them flat. Slice a hero roll halfway through and spread the marinara sauce on both sides. Layer the fried eggplants over the sauce. And pile on a generous helping of mozzarella cheese. I'm using both shredded and fresh mozzarella for that gooey, stretchy goodness.
It's done almost ready. You can help eating.
Wrap everything snugly in the foil to keep all the flavor locked in. Place the wrapped rolls in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and Let them bake for about 30 minutes.
चमत्कार कर दिया।
क्या
डायपर से डॉक्टर बनाने तक का सारा खर्चा आपने माफ करवा दिया।
While our eggplant parmesan is getting all warm and melty, is the perfect time to relax with some Bollywood music. Nothing like a little desi vibe to keep the holiday spirit alive. After 30 minutes, let's check. The cheese is perfectly melted, the bread is crispy, and the aroma, oh, it's heavenly. Time to serve and see what the Mr. Singh thinks about it. Spoiler alert, mom and dad are already fans.
Let me test. Oh. How did you like, Mamaji? This is, huh? How did you like this? This is so good after a long time.
लास्ट टाइम से अच्छा है
Last time se bahut acha hai. Keep making.
ओके
Keep making.
very lovely.
And Rajesh Sarwa is going to miss.
I don't know if he's coming or not.
He
says
told
in-
me he will be here, but he didn't show up.
And now it's my turn to dig in. Wow, it's cheesy, flavorful, and just perfect for Christmas Eve. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to Robby Hobby for more fun recipes and adventures. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a delicious holiday season.
Unbelievable. एक नंबर
बहुत अच्छा होगा यार।
मजा आ गया
अगर इसमें अचार मिलाया जाए थोड़ा सा आम का अचार ही नहीं टेस्ट किया जा सकता है
नंबर वन
नंबर वन अनडाउटेबली